Welcome to Computex with MiTAC Computing, a global server company ready to support your complete AI lifecycle. Breaking industry norms, we're excited to debut a 52U high-density AI liquid-cooled rack for large-scale deployments, integrating 12 of MiTAC's G4826 AI servers with 96 AMD Instinct MI355X GPUs. This solution delivers 50% higher GPU density per rack compared to standard AI configurations. Moving on to MiTAC's diamond-cooled AI server, the G8825, developed in collaboration with Akash Systems and powered by AMD Instinct MI350X GPUs. These generate up to 50% more tokens per watt at standard data center temperatures. We're also unveiling MyOBMC and MyOPF, our next-gen open-source firmware which grants operators complete bare metal control. At the cluster level, MiTAC has also launched our proprietary MyCoreView pod management solution, which offers comprehensive deployment and monitoring across the infrastructure of GPU and HPC systems. It also integrates seamlessly with Kubernetes and the AMD Enterprise AI Suite. MiTAC has expanded and strengthened its AI ecosystem partnerships with industry leaders including DDN, RAFE, and Canonical to deliver streamlined, full-stack AI turnkey software solutions. The result? Simplified deployment, faster time to value, and better operational efficiency. Together with Tonomia, MiTAC Computing has introduced the TonoForge, a modular AI-ready data center designed for faster deployment and decentralized AI infrastructure run on renewable energy. Also featuring our latest liquid cooling server, the MiTAC G4826 Z5. Stop by MiTAC Computing at Computex and experience the latest and greatest that's powering future compute. And don't forget to grab yourself a cooling drink. Cheers!